Hey loves, so today we're going to go through the Allure Sample Society beauty box. This is $15 a month and you can get it from beautybar.com, I believe. This beauty box has quickly become one of my favorites. I got rid of a couple other ones so I could get this one. You always get way more than your $15 worth in this guy, and they have a lot of high-end brands, so love this beauty box. So let's just jump right in. I already took it out of the box that the box comes in because it's really hard to get it out of there. So there's always a little pamphlet too in here that talks about all of the items and what their value is and all of that, which I love when a beauty box includes this. I can already see some products that I know I'm gonna love. So let's see, I'm gonna pull the first one out. This is a Zoya nail polish, and mine is in Tiana. I love this shade though. I'm all about that minty green, so not mad about it at all. This is worth $9 and it's full size. So let me see, pastel nail polishes that are free of formaldehyde and all those scary things. So these are all of the colors that you may have gotten. Definitely one of the top ones that I would have wanted if I could pick which one, so that's always exciting. Still need to paint my nails. I am just behind. Philip B Lightweight Deep Conditioning Cream Rinse. This is a conditioner that anyone, including those with fine and or color treated hair, can use. Let me see. So this is a half an ounce and it's $26 for 6 ounces. So this is a sample size. I like how on the back it's like, not for sale, not for sale. Don't you sell this. I'm grounded. Oh, it smells good. It's got kind of like a spicy element to it. All about that life. Yes, so I will try this little guy. Why not? That's good to know that people with color treated hair can use it and it's not going to affect their hair, because clearly I got a lot of that going on. Yes. Love me some Philosophy. This is Renewed Hope in a Jar, refreshing and refining moisturizer. The full size is 47 for 2 ounces. This is 0.25, so a fourth of an ounce. Get this little guy. But this is a really nice moisturizer. I love a lot of Philosophy's products. I don't think I've tried this. I have another little sample size of this guy that I need to try. I think I have the eye one. So again, not mad. Definitely something that I would like to try. A brand that I like. And definitely something I will use. I like this little size. Even though it's moisturizer, you can still use something like this under your eyes. And it's supposed to be super hydrating. Let me see if it says anything important. It's an anti-aging facial moisturizer for all skin types. So, all about that. It says hydrates and smooths skin with exfoliating acids. Crazy. Again, this is a really good day for beauty boxes. I just did my IPSY unboxing and unbagging, whatever you want to call it, and I really liked it too. So, let's keep moving. Whoa. Keep moving. Keep on moving. What are you? There's this little tiny bar in here. Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. I gotta smell it. Doesn't say what size this is, but $45 for 5.3 ounces. Let's do a charcoal and mud facial bar soap with a long time cult following. It's great for all skin types, but those prone to oiliness and breakouts are its most vocal fans. But I might give this one a go, especially whenever I have a breakout, because it sounds like it's really good for that type of skin. Or when it gets warmer, I might hold on to this, because I do develop more normal skin instead of like 100% dry skin. I get a little tiny bit, not a lot, of oiliness in the T-zone. So I might hang on to this guy, because you never know. Or I might pass it along, but I'm really curious. All right, this next guy, I totally almost bought this exact one the other day. I only have the Topaz one. It's somewhere around here, but I love these. This is a Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art Lid, Line, and Lash in Gold Glitz, Peach Prism, and Cobalt Crystal. I got Peach Prism, I believe. So one side is kind of like a cream shadow, and the other one is like a glitter liner. I love these. They're so pigmented and like, oh, not beautiful. Look at that. So metallic, and they dry and they just look so beautiful. Totally my type of shade too, which I love. So this side has some like iridescent sparkle, and it's supposed to be, I wonder what it looks like on top. God, that dried so gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. And that's gonna be really pretty. I'm gonna tap some of that sparkle on there. Let's see if you can see that. So definitely a win. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Check these out. They're like $10 each. I know that. Let me see what it says in here, how much this guy is. I get too excited and I get distracted. $8.99 each, which is definitely true. I think I paid $9.99 for the only one that I purchased. All right, so there's another item in here that's not even in the booklet, and this is by Strivectin. I've heard really great things about this brand. This is Intensive Illuminating Serum. Boosts skin's clarity for a brighter, more even complexion. So I wonder if this is just like a bonus product because it's not listed at all. Make sure I'm not missing it. It's not. So let me see what this guy looks like. It's definitely a decent sized sample. You get 1/4 of an ounce. I don't really want to squish it out of there, but my sister also gets this beauty box now, and she got this, and she had been trying the serum, and she says she really likes it so far. And I know that my mom likes Strivectin products, so I'll definitely give it a go, and if not, she can have it, but that's an awesome little product and a nice bonus. Alright, so that is everything that I got in my Allure Sample Society box. What did you guys think? Do you get this beauty box? What did you guys get this month? Please tag me on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram if you put up a picture so I can see what you got, or let me know down below. I love this beauty box. I think it was another fantastic month. So excited about all of these things, and I really want to go paint my nails with this right now. It's gonna be beautiful for spring, and we're getting there, slowly but surely. We're getting there. Anyway, I think that is everything. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thumbs up for more unboxings. Thumbs up anyway, because it makes me feel happy. So that's good. And yeah, rambling. Anyway, I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.